In a world filled with unimaginable magic and endless possibilities, Dr. Stephen Strange, the former world-class neurosurgeon, became the Sorcerer Supreme. With mystical powers and a heart dedicated to protecting reality, Dr. Strange made sure the universe remained intact. But not all was as tranquil as it seemed. One day, while practicing complex spells in his sanctum, Strange's trusty companion and guardian of the mystical library, Wong, burst into the room. Wong was known for his calm demeanor, but today he seemed troubled. "Strange, we have a problem," he exclaimed. "The fabric of reality seems to be tearing, and I suspect it has something to do with the multiverse." Dr. Strange, intrigued yet concerned, knew the severity of the situation. The multiverse was a set of infinite realms, each with endless possibilities and versions of themselves. If the multiverse was in chaos, everything they knew was at risk. With the cloak of levitation draped over his shoulders and the eye of Agamotto glowing gently around his neck, Dr. Strange joined Wong. They embarked on a daring journey to the heart of the multiverse's disturbance. Along the way, they encountered alternate realities filled with bizarre yet fascinating creatures. In one world, cats had become supreme beings, ruling over humankind with furry paws and royal meows. Their journey reached its peak when they discovered the cause of the chaos. In an alternate reality, Dr. Strange found a version of himself, one who had embraced dark magic in his quest to gain infinite power. This alternate Strange had accidentally opened the doors of the multiverse, unleashing madness across realms. With a flick of his wrist, our Strange cast a spell of protection, guarding their universe and sealing the rogue Strange in his own realm. Yet, as he executed the spell, he felt a change within himself, a reminder of the darkness that lies in all. Returning to their world with the multiverse safe, Wong chuckled. "You just can't keep out of trouble, can you?" Strange smiled, knowing that as long as the multiverse existed, he would be ready to defend it, wherever it may lead. Thus, Dr. Strange returned to his meditational trance, ever watchful, awaiting the next ripple in reality he must mend.